ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ತಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಿಜ, ಅದು ನಿಜ ಸಂಗತಿ.
Kumar Singh, one of the most efficient, honest and a very able police officer. He held the post of the police commissioner as well as the DG. Under him, Bangalore was transformed into a better place. Today, we have him after a long time. So welcome to Pulikesh Nagar. It's very nice to see a great gentleman like you who has brought the name of the police force.
Nice of you to have said those things. Thank you very much.
I've been your friend from past 30 years. I know you so well as a journalist. So, sir, what is the difference between the police of your time and the police of today's time?
You see, change is only thing which we can say is certain. Always change is taking place. But then we cannot say that things were either better earlier or they have gone down the drain these days. It's not fair to say that. Things are different, yes, things are different. But as far as police department is concerned, certain things are, let's say, permanent in the sense, for example, the attitude, manobhav jise kehte hain. Unless you have a public-minded attitude, it's difficult to function as a good police officer. Similarly, you have to be professionally competent, which means that you must have the knowledge required for your work. If these things are not there, then other things are changeable. See, say the way people behave these days, or the way, say, education and even lifestyle of people, as well as police department. After all, police department gets people from the society only, so all those things do change a little bit. But certainly, as I said, as far as attitude is concerned and your professionalism is concerned, those things have to remain there.
Sir, as the years have gone by, police strategy has changed. Even the criminal strategy has changed. Criminals have always tried to bend one hand above the police. So do you think the strategy with today digital world and with so much of what do you say, so much of investigation you can do at a tip of finger, like the mobile phone, you can trace the thing. During your time you had a very tough time. Now how do you think the investigation would be?
It's both. It's easy but it's difficult also, because it's easy for the criminals also. And as you very rightly says, criminals are always one step ahead. Why they are one step ahead? Because they can do all sorts of illegal things. You can't do it. Even with the technology available, you can use the technology in the right way, permitted by law, whereas criminal is not bothered about what is permitted by law. He will break the law. This is his, that's what he does, and use the technology in a way to achieve his goal. So therefore, it's both. It's easy as well as difficult. It's rather there is a combination of both things. We can't say that.
So how do you think the police of today functioning? Because now you see, a lot of complaints are coming, and people are very accessible. Rapid action. What foundation you had made, like this program today, giving felicitation to people and all? Do you think more of public and police contact should be there more?
No, you say, I cannot say that I laid any foundation. Police department, Karnataka has a good name for very long time, right from the independence. We have a fair name all over India, and I'm happy about it that I was also part of it sometime. Yes, whatever other changes, since our work is, since we are government servant, which means we are public servant, and particularly in police, because after who comes to police? Those who have some sort of difficulty, whether various types of difficulties. So people in difficulty only come to police. So therefore, unless you get fullest cooperation from people, as I said just a few minutes back, that only depending on technology, only depending on law or procedure or our authorities will not achieve our goal. These are the tools which will help, but if we want to achieve maximum goal, then you have to have public cooperation.
Sir,
Public should have faith in you. And why, as I said, why should they have faith in you unless you are professionally competent, you
Yeah.
have different.
So the police should build such a rapport that the public should have faith in them and confidence in them.
It is a must. It's a must. Nobody should consider that now there is a technology and therefore everything can be done remote, etc. No, it's wrong. It's wrong, particularly for police department. We have to have public contact, public touch, and then only we can. People can have faith in us, they can have friendly relationship with us, we can get their cooperation, we can get their help, and only then we can function. Because after all, what are policemen? Police people are somebody from the society who has been given this job. So how do we have performed the job only on behalf of the society? So unless society is with us, we can't be different from it.
So this is a very question. Most of the police officers after retiring, they join political parties, and they are very active in political thing. You being avid reader, you are a very enthusiastic, and you're a very respectable person. Even today, your name is taken in our top people. So do you think of joining political parties?
No, I have not thought of joining any political party so far, though I was approached here and there, but no, because I'm not very sure as to what I can.
So do you think political is not for good persons?
No, I'm not that way. For me, because everybody has different attitude towards life. You have a different philosophy of life. You have a different view of life. What you think you can do, and what you think you cannot do. So all those things is personal questions. Actually, more than any other field, politics require good people. There's no doubt about it. More than any, because these days in our type of democracy, it is the politician who call the shots. And therefore, if good people, more public-minded people, more honest people, more accessible people are available, it's better for the society. So it's required.
Thank you for speaking. Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh was very on the spot, saying that people and police should have a very good cordial relationship to build the future. And even the investigation today is not different from what it was. Nowadays, investigation is easy, but it's not so easy to solve a problem. Police have to use all the skills to detect the thing. And moreover, he said in politics today, good people are needed. And Ajay Kumar sir himself was offered many political posts from various party. He said it is his personal thing. He doesn't want to join any political party. Nevertheless, we want good people like Mr. Ajay Kumar Singh to come in politics. Rizwan Asad, Nashiman News.